Here's the app CHYRPE Dating, Match and Load. The dating app with women on top. Take charge of your dating experience as women, set your own chat rules, rate male profiles, make your voice heard, match with exclusively real and verified people, meet partners who are confident women. So yeah, this is interesting app. It's a dating app for powerful women and those who love them. Take control over your dating life and connect with people who are looking to show you the genuine appreciation you deserve. CHYRPE is a dating app where patriarchal values and misogyny have absolutely no place. Find your match in a community with female satisfaction at its core, discovering the beauty of female-led relationships. So that's basically the idea. So what you can do, so using the power board, you decide about the conversations you have with different people. Using our profile feedback function, tell men how to create profiles that match your expectations. Count on the highest level of security with mandatory verifications for all users. There is CHYRPE Gold, CHYRPE Evolved, premium subscriptions, and that's basically the idea. So then you can just tap get, double click to install it, and then you can install it in here. So that's what it is, and then you can just open it up. And then you can then just go and sign up with Google or Apple. So for example, let me just show you. Seems it's not working for some reason. Maybe it's only available in US or something like that. But yeah, this is the app, pretty cool dating app. If you feel like this is what you were looking for among dating apps, so try it out.